Your alarm is not the problem. You set it for a person you are not yet. Every snooze is a small no to that person every single day. And here's the truth nobody says out loud. You are not losing in the morning. You are losing the night before. Every late scroll, every one more episode, every decision after 10 p.m., already killing tomorrow. The morning feels impossible because the night was designed to make it impossible, not by accident, by habit. So the first fix is not the alarm, it is the shutdown. Pick a time, make it non-negotiable. 1 hour before, no screen, no feed, no stimulation. Let the brain know the day is over, because if you cannot end the day with control, you cannot start the morning with power. Now the alarm rings. Do not think, do not negotiate. The moment you bargain with the snooze, you have already lost. Get up before the brain wakes up enough to argue, and the first 60 minutes, they decide everything. No phone, no scroll, no cheap hit first thing, because the moment you open a feed, your focus is gone, spent, before the day even starts. Move instead. Not a workout, not fitness, just movement. 10 push-ups, a 5-minute walk, anything physical. The body switches on, the brain follows. That is not motivation, that is biology. Then one thing, not a list, not a plan, one thing, the hardest thing. The one you have been avoiding. Do it before the brain has time to negotiate, before the excuses arrive, before comfort wins again. This is the habit. Not waking up early, not being a morning person. Ending the night with control, starting the morning before the brain argues. Moving first. Doing the hard thing before anything else. The morning is not a feeling, it is a system. And right now, your system is working against you. Rebuild it. One night at a time.